I just got a call, and honestly, I didn't even really know what to think about it. I signed up for a gardening plot at the local community garden, the Sepulveda Basin Community Garden, in 2022. Yes, 4 years ago. And they just called me and said I was next on the list. Did I want my garden plot? It's $120 a year. They rototill. They have overhead watering, I think once a week, but I'll go find out. And they don't take cash. They take check or money order. So as soon as I'm done with my morning dog walks, I'm heading over there to take a look at my plot and finally start gardening. 4 years. I forgot I signed up. It's been a long time waiting to get a plot here. This is the Sepulveda Basin Community Garden. Let me show you around. The plots are 10-foot by 20-foot plots, and you can plant whatever you want in here. Someone here has a beautiful rose garden. Boy, there's a long wait to get in here. This one looks abandoned. Maybe this one's mine. I'm waiting on my turn. I have an 11 o'clock appointment and I got here a little early. So they're showing someone else the plots right now. But I know that they rototill the area for you. So this is probably what it looks like when you start. These are probably the two that are available. You don't even know how excited I am. I love that the California poppies are blooming right now. I'm gonna have to check with my friend Stacy, who's the master gardener, and ask her what I can plant right now for fall. All right, I am back home. I forgot to film in my excitement when I picked out my plot, but I will make another video and show you my plot. They also had, I met a nice gardening, I guess, I'm not sure what, like a caretaker. His name is Carlos. He's been there over 30 years. Very nice, very knowledgeable. So that was lovely to meet him. And then he showed me the free table, and I have a trunk full of plants that I brought home to the condo complex to plant while I'm waiting to get my plan. The next thing on the garden plan is I'm going to make a plan. It's late in the year to be planting things. A lot of things won't survive the summer heat if I plant them now. But I've heard that tomatoes do well, so I might get a couple of tomato plants at the local garden center. But I'm going to have a plan first. I'm also going to contact one of my clients who's a master gardener. She has a beautiful, gorgeous, thriving garden. And I'm going to ask her what she's planting right now, if anything, and what she would do if she were me, because she has an aspirational garden. So I'm going to check in with her, make a few plans, set a budget, and start gardening finally. I hope you enjoy this. Bye. I picked up a large plant, succulent plant from the free table, and I clipped all the new growth off of it and planted them individually in the garden bed outside of my condo. And I think it makes a nice addition and it looks really lovely. I've planted most of the things here, the geraniums, the lavender, and all the succulents because we need all the help we can get in this garden area. You might be wondering why I don't just garden on my patio. And I do. As you can see, the problem with the patio is it's very shady. I don't get hardly any sun in here. Right now is the most sun that I will have here all day. And I've tried everything. About the only thing that grows here is kalanchoes and spider plants and ivy geranium, but not well. So I was definitely ready for more room to stretch my gardening legs. And I'm so excited